and multiplied by 1. So it becomes a upon a plus b upon b plus 1. A upon a plus 1 plus b upon b plus 1. So again solve this, cross multiply. A into b plus 1 plus b into a plus 1. The whole upon a plus 1 into b plus 1. So ab plus a plus ab plus b. The whole upon this. Solve this bracket also. A into b plus 1 plus 1 into b plus 1 at the denominator bracket, right? So what it becomes? AB plus A plus AB plus B. But AB is given as 1. So 1 plus A plus 1 plus B. In the denominator then, AB plus A plus B plus 1. But AB is 1 again. So it becomes in denominator also A plus B plus 2. So both numerator and denominator are same. That's why it becomes 1. That is the answer. Next, if x equals to 8 raised to 2 by 3 into 32 raised to minus 2 by 5, then x raised to minus 5 equals to, okay, solve this first. So 8 raised to 2 by 3 means this is cube root of 8 the whole square, right? 3 comes over here, but cube root of 8 is what? 2. So 2 square into this 32 raised to 1 by 5, that is 2. So 2 raised to minus 2. So it becomes 2 raised to, now bases same, indices can be added. So 2 raised to 2 minus 2, right? 2 here and minus 2 here. So 0, 2 raised to 0, that is 1. So x equals to 1. Next, find y. If this is given, now what is given? 1 by 9 raised to 2i minus 1 into 0.0081 raised to 1 by 3, the whole upon root of 243 equals to 1 by. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.